Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and going straight to Notifications so you take control fast. First, pick an app and toggle Allow Notifications off to stop all alerts from that app. This is the quickest cut. Once done, make sure you adjust Show Previews to when unlocked or never to hide content on the lock screen. These steps immediately reduce noise and protect privacy, and they set up the calmer environment needed before we tune sounds, badges, and focus modes next. Now refine how notifications behave so you aren't interrupted. Go to Sounds and Haptics to change or disable alert tones and vibration for calls and apps. Muting here stops the immediate startle. Next, go back to each app's notification settings and turn off badges so the red bubbles don't nag you. Then set banner style to temporary or none to prevent persistent banners. Together, these changes keep notifications present but unobtrusive, letting you decide when to check them. Finish by using Focus to automate silencing during work, sleep, or driving. Create a focus, allow only essential people and apps, and schedule it or enable it manually. This is the best way to stop interruptions across devices. If notifications still appear, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't duplicated in another focus, then restart your iPhone. If problems persist, reset all settings as a last resort. This preserves data, but restores notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.